Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Halloween potion surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Halloween potion surprise fold, we're going to take our paper and we're going to line up the corners and just fold it in half. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold it in half one more time. And then I'm just going to fold it down. This way, when I open it up, now I can pull this down and I have two nice lines that show me where to keep all my drawings in. So next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold it back up and start on my potion. Now to start off with this, let's begin by drawing the top here. So what I'm going to do is just make a small line that comes right across the top. Just going to be nice and straight right on the fold. Next we're going to make two little lines that come down with a little line right across here to connect it so we have a little rectangle shape. Now you can make the shape of your bottle any way you want to. You can make it like circular, you can make it square. We don't have a ton of room down here, so I'm just going to make it kind of squared. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to first draw two little lines that come down. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes out, and then it's going to come down. Same thing over here, we're going to go out, and then we're going to come down. Then we're just going to connect it here. I'm going to make this a little bit darker at the top so we can really cover it. Now, on here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little square shape. So I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to come over and up. I'm going to make a little kind of pointed line in there so it looks like it's kind of torn. And then we're going to make a little line that comes across. Next I'm going to put a couple little black dots in each corner just to make it look like it's got a little bit of extra detail. Next what I want to do is I want to put a funny little skull on here. So I'm going to make a nice big oval shape. We'll make a couple little bumps for the teeth. And then we're going to put two big black dots on here for the skull. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to come over and then down for like the cork. And then on top of here, I'm going to put a little pumpkin. So I'm going to make a circle shape that comes around and down. We'll make a little rectangle shape at the top. Now I want this pumpkin to look kind of mad, so I'm going to make a little triangle shape eye like this, and another one over here. This looks like he's kind of angry. And we're going to color in these eyes. So we're going to color in both of these triangles. Then, right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes up and then down. And then a little line across here that we're going to color it in, so it looks like it's kind of like an unhappy little pumpkin. Next, I'm just going to draw some little lines that just come right down here for the pumpkin. And I'm going to put some little dots onto my cork as well. Now the next step is to open this up, and when we open it, we have the cork up here and then we have the bottle down here. So what we need to do is we need to add all the details on the inside. So let's start with the cork. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that comes down a little farther on each side. And then I'm going to make a little curved line, and then another little curved line like here. And we'll put a few more dots. I want it to look like there's something dripping down, so I'm going to make a long kind of wavy line that's just kind of really dripping down like this. Now I want to make some kind of like little evil ghost coming out of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a little kind of wavy line like this, and then another little wavy line that's just going to get a little bit bigger. I want to make kind of like a wavy line that's just going to go down and then up. And I'll do the same thing here, kind of wavy line that's going to go down and up. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and down. I'm going to bring this line up and down. And then I'm just going to bring a line that's going to go up and then down here. I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side at an angle with a little curved line. And then I'm going to draw kind of like a little wavy, bumpy smiley face with another line that's going to come down and does the same thing. Draw a little chin here. Then all around here I'm just going to make a couple more little tinier ghosts. So I'm just going to make some little kind of curvy, wavy lines right around here. I'll make another one over here. And we'll just make one more right over here too, just to make it look like some other little ghosts are coming out of there. And I'm just going to give each one of these a little black dot with a little mouth. And we'll do that on each one. So 2 little black dots and a little mouth on there. And there you go, there's your drawing of a little Halloween potion. So when I have it all closed up, I have my little potion bottle, and then when I open it, I've got my little scary ghost coming out. And you can put whatever you want to in here. You can do lots of fun things. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.